Okay, hey, more do's and don'ts. When you're approaching a door, when you're entering or leaving, hold on, let me clean this camera. Excuse me. Sorry about that. When you're entering a room or your home or whatever, who goes first? You or the dogs? Exactly, you. Don't ever let those dogs push you out of the way. There's a pecking order of who comes and goes in the den, believe it or not. And so that is a dominant behavior, and you don't want that. I know it sounds like a stupid thing, but in case I failed to mention previously, yeah, you go in and come out first. Those dogs should patiently wait behind you, not be stomping on your feet trying to tear out the door. It's bad behavior. It's bad manners. We don't want that. Do we? Do we, Raptor? He says, hell no, we don't.